Hello guys, and welcome to what will likely be the weirdest video I ever film on this channel. Well, I don't know. Only time will tell. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So, 2 days ago, I'm walking through the grocery store aisles. Real quick, just getting the essentials. Grabbing my milk. Grabbing my snacks. You know, we needed things. We don't go very often. Anyway. I'm walking down the frozen aisle after just grabbing my veggie patties. And what do I come across? Take a guess. You saw the title, so you know. God dang. Vegan Dino Nuggets. Meatless, plant-based, vegan Dino Nuggets. When I say to you that I have been... What? When I say to you that I have never been so excited to find a vegan alternative, like I thought finding vegan coffee creamer that tasted good was amazing. Bro. Vegan Dino Nuggets. When I ate meat, I ate these like a motherfucker because I like to eat like a 5-year-old boy. Okay, that's just what I like. Chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, mozzarella sticks, pizza rolls. Give them to me now. And I haven't had these in years because, I mean, I don't eat little chickens because that's not nice. I'm not trying to tell you how to live your life. Do what you want. I don't care. So when I saw these, I about lost my mind. And I had not seen these. I hadn't even heard of these. I immediately texted my other vegan friend and she had never heard of these. So I'm about to eat them on camera and tell you what I think and let you know if they are worth your dollars. And I know that I've never filmed a video like this before, but I've never had this type of excitement before. So I'm sorry for this like shadow from my hand that's on my face. We're doing this vlog style because of my excitement and I'm ready to just go out and eat them. They're already in the oven. You'll see that footage in a second. So that's what this video is gonna be. I am going to eat said Dino Nuggets with my husband and let you know if they are delicious, which I bet they will be. We've come a long way for vegan meats. Hell yeah. So with all of that said, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see future videos from me because I put them out. And if you would like to see what I think of the freaking Dinos Buddies, Dinos Nuggets, just keep on watching. You are all about to go in my mouth and I'm gonna eat all these nuggets to myself. Look at these little chicken nuggets. I'm gonna eat all these little chicken nuggets. I'm gonna eat these chicken nuggets tonight. And they're gonna taste me. Gotta give them a heck and flip. Halfway through, they need a heck and flip. This is really hard when you are fighting at the same time. So I'm gonna stop. Make sure to do that. Make sure to flip halfway through. So we have a problem. There's an uneven number of nuggets. I'm so sorry, friends. What are you doing? This is not for you, good sir. This is for me, and not for you. They are ready. And I'm going in with a pterodactyl because that's the best one. Well, a pterodactyl or this one. Whatever this guy is. The little fat ones are the best ones because they have the most meats. Okay. Baby, I have to taste yours at the same time so I can at least hear your vocal reaction. Well, it tastes exactly the same.
Yep. That's kind of perfect.
Oh my god.
Renders regular nuggets like obsolete. You don't fucking, it's not even necessary. Wow.
It's so good. You don't need to kill chickens to have a good time.
Oh my god.
Wow. It tastes exactly the same and it has like their specific taste. There you have it. How did you do it, Dino Buddies? How did you make these taste exactly like a chicken nugget? The claims are so real. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you. So, we just ate the nuggets. And they were perfect. 5 out of 5 stars. 5 out of 5 pterodactyl nuggets. They were perfect. They were so good. They tasted exactly the same. It was weird. There's like a special thing that only Dino nuggets have, like a little, I don't know what to call it, but this had it and it was so good. And honestly, I guarantee I could serve this to somebody who eats meat and they wouldn't know the difference because it tastes exactly the same. Dino buddies, how you do that though? And please tell everybody else how to do that dough because they're so good. These are the best vegan nuggets I've ever tried, and I've tried quite a few because I am a big fan of nuggets. So, that completes this video. I would suggest picking these up if you have the opportunity. I got mine at Ralph's. I know sister stores of Ralph's and other places are Food for Less and Kroger and what is that other one? There's other ones. If I can think of some, I'll list some because I know that there are other stores in other states that are owned by Kroger, and so you might have the opportunity to find them. I found mine at my local Ralph's, which Ralph's, by the way, is killing the game on carrying vegan products. Their plant-based section is killer. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can join the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week, and sometimes they'll be about food, and sometimes they'll be about makeup, and sometimes they'll be about fitness, and sometimes they're just here. So if you like hanging out with me, do that because I'd love to have you here. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.